What is overfishing? Overfishing can be explained in many different ways, but it all points to one thing: catching too much fish that it begins to degrade ecosystems in the ocean. Overfishing is something that occurs worldwide and isn't specific to any region. Overfishing is a big problem that occurs globally and is increasing damage and damage capabilities as time goes on. In 2013, around 93 million tons of fish were caught worldwide, but there was also around 38.5 million tons of bycatch. This is from the current fishing practice. The global fishing fleet is 2 to 3 times larger than what the ocean can substantially support. In other words, people are taking too much fish too fast to the point that some species cannot support their own species. As a result, if this current situation does not change, stocks of all species currently fished for food are predicted to be collapsed by the year 2048. Many species are threatened by overfishing. Some of these include Atlantic halibut, monkfish, all species of shark, and the bluefin tuna. These are some of the fish that are strongly associated with the seafood industries. Large fish are strongly targeted for the amount of food that they can provide. About 90% of all large predatory fish are gone. Many fish are fished for intentionally, but there are some cases where some may be picked up in the net, as well as those that are intended to be caught. The fish that are caught without intent are known as bycatch. They are caught by the many large nets that are spread throughout the ocean. Bycatch are the unwanted fish or other marine creatures that are caught during commercial fishing that is aimed towards other species. There are many different kinds of commercial fishing methods that are widely used to get fish by the hundreds or thousands. Two of the most damaging fishing methods are pair trawling and bottom trawling. Pair trawling does damage to ecosystems by taking any and all fish that are in its path. This net is dragged through the open ocean to collect its catch. This method funnels fish to the back of the net while the boat drags the net through the ocean. Bottom trawling does massive amounts of damage to the ocean. Bottom trawling collects both crustaceans and fish in large quantities, but does so by dragging a massive net on the ocean floor. The trawl leaves nothing but devastation amongst the ocean floor and ecosystems. The current fishing methods do large amounts of damage to environments and ecosystems, but they will continue to get worse if nothing is done. Here are some ways you can make an impact against overfishing and help prevent it. 1. Spread the word to those around you about the issue with overfishing. 2. See if you can support protection of pristine and important habitats. And finally, be informed of what you are eating. A good way to know what you're eating is by checking Monterey-based Seafood Watch to learn more about what it exactly is that you are eating and learn where it comes from, and to check that it doesn't endorse overfishing. And remember, our friends in the sea are friends indeed.